Now we are going to see a Java program to add the elements of the array and to find the average of those elements. So first I am defining a class named as sum and average, and within that class I am defining the main method, and within the main method I am initializing the array variable called as ages with 5 integer values. So I am going to add these 5 values and find that average of those values. So to add these values, first I have to get the number of elements in the array. So to get the number of elements in the array, I have a method called length. So we have to give the name of the array, which is the ages dot length. So this will give the number of elements in the array, which is assigned to another integer variable. Here the value assigned will be 5. Next, we are going to add this 5 elements. So first we are declaring another variable called sum, which in that sum variable the sum of these 5 elements will be stored first. So in the array the index will start from 0. So the first value will be stored as the array, the name of the array is ages. The first will be ages of 0, which is 20. In the ages of 1, which is the first index, the value will be 23. In the next ages of 2, which will be 30. In the ages of 3, the value will be 35. So we using the index value, we are accessing the element one by one, and we are storing it to the sum variable. So to access the element and store it to the sum variable, we have to use the for loop. In the for loop, first we have to initialize, then the condition should be given, and then the increment should be given. First I am declaring a integer variable I is equal to 0. Why I am giving I is equal to 0 means the array index starts from 0, so I am starting it from 0. Then I am checking the condition I less than length. So I have to add the elements up to which is less than the length of the array. So here the length of the array is 5. So less than 5 means the index value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So less than 5 means up to 4 I have to add the elements. Then I have to increment. First the value will be initialized, then the condition will be checked. So the condition is true means it will go to the inside the for loop. Here the sum is initialized with 0. So here we are adding sum is 0 plus ages of I is 20. 0 plus 20 will be added. So in the same way up to ages of 4 up to 48, all the elements will be added and stored in the variable sum. Then to calculate the average, we are dividing the sum variable with the number of elements, which is the length. It will be stored in another variable called as the average, which is of the data type float. Then we are printing this average value. I have already compiled and executed this program. Now let's see the output of this program. So this is the output of the program. All these elements are added and the average is 31.2. Thank you.